day 19, 20, 25, whatever the hell it is. We're out going through this fire. We just are looking for any cattle that might be in a bad spot or a bad way. So far we haven't found any, but there is tracks in here. And the really unnerving part is we just came across 3 wolves that didn't seem all that worried about us. We kind of just trotted into the trees, and I just didn't happen to have my camera going yet. So that's not good.
You know what? They're walking the road.
The wolf tracks are on the road in front of us right here. So I don't know how many there is, but as you can see, this is not an area that's going to be utilized for cattle in the next 2 or 3 years, as there is nothing left whatsoever. So that's fairly disturbing for us. Because at this current time, where our ranch is located, we have 3 range units. So we've got our north range, which is the one that most of these videos have come from, which is the one we're on right now. We have the Sparks Lake Fire on our south range behind the ranch. We have the Duran Fire burning that range. And now we have the Tremont Creek Fire to the west of us, which is burning our 3rd range unit. So currently, of the 3 range units that we utilize for our cattle, they're all being burnt. So the forecast for our next couple years is not looking all that promising. We've got 1,200 head of bred cows that we try to have going out to range every year. And if we got no grass, well, we got some serious problems. I can tell you that, Joe, do you see any grass in here?
Unless there's a new type of grass called black.
No. Black grass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like the end of the world.
Yeah, this is a scene from the apocalypse or some bloody thing.
Kind of hoping we never find cows.
I hope if we find any cows in here, I can't imagine they're going to be in good shape. There's quite a trail on the road here, but
Back there, when you were talking,
going back and forth following them.
I think so. And I think most of them were going that way because dogs were trying to go sniffing them.
Yeah.
And I don't know if there was another wolf from here or something, because they get something that was further. But I mean, where's he gonna go? He's gonna run down the road.
Yeah, they're not. Wolves aren't going to walk through this. They're going to be right on the road. So if it's right in front of us, we're going to find them fairly soon, unless he has a trail somewhere that he's comfortable with. But the crazy thing that in the days that we've been out here, we haven't found any wildlife that's been killed or maimed or anything. Like out in these, like that fire that's gone through here. It's gone through here so fast and so hot that there's nothing left. Like, nothing. And you would, like, an animal's not outrunning that.
No, you can't.
No.
You know, it's not as thick in here as the last time I rode.
Yeah, if you guys look back to Wildfire Issues Day 3 video, this is the same area that we rode through and evacuated those animals out of in that video. So if you want a pretty good comparison of the before and after, That's the way you go, because this is the same trail, same road that we rode through that day. And you can see the difference and put them side by side, and it is sad. Very sad.
Yeah, that's about the only word you can explain it.
Yeah.
There is other words.
There's other words, but I mean, they just seem like a waste. You can only, once you get through the anger part and the frustration, it's just sad. Piece of ground that well, I basically grew up back here. So did you.
Oh yeah,
It's yeah, it's pretty sad to
I
see.
don't know if that's coming to an end.
Yeah,
I just don't know.
don't know. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shut off now. I'll turn back on when we find something. And you guys can join us in our adventure. But I just wanted you to see the devastation out here and how we feel about it. Okay guys, thanks.